Sorry, that cut out. But if I had 18 chocolate chip cookies and my family had 8 of them, then how many cookies would I have left? I'm going to separate those numbers. I'm going to mark them out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So then how many do I have left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 18 minus 8 is 10. If I had 18 chocolate chip cookies and my family had 8 of them, now I have 10 cookies left. All right. Good job, guys.